So I created a part here in Altium Designer for a U-Blox GPS, and I want to use this opportunity to show you the value in 3D step models. I've got all the pads here, I've got my silk screen, and I've got a generic component body here, as you can see. And this is enough for most people when they're designing a board, but watch what happens when I add the 3D step model. Um, I'm going to go ahead and load it up. So this thing, as you can see, it's rotated at the wrong angle, so I'm just going to go ahead and correct that 90 degrees on the x-axis, and let's see how it lines up. So you can see the part is within my silk screen, all the pads are aligned, but watch what happens here when we flip it upside down. You can actually see that all of my pads I had created the same size, but on the bottom of the part, I've noticed here that the copper is a little bit wider than my pads. And I checked the data sheet, and it actually turns out that all of the pads that are not these ones on the edges, they are indeed a little bit wider than what I've drawn them at. So, this is a great way to not just make your design look better, but it's a great way to catch different types of errors. Now, obviously, you don't want to go with the step model as the right way to do things, but if the step model can prompt you to look at the data sheet and catch some issues that you might not have caught otherwise, then it's a great resource. So that's all for today. Thanks for checking in, and we'll talk to you next time.